Now, fresh into stock, this Caddy van. It's an 18 plate. It's in exceptionally good condition. Clearly been well looked after. Fully ply lined, and rare to see it painted as well, and with a grated bulkhead. Sliding side door, which is curbside for easy unloading, and double rear doors for easy access. Very low load height. And we've got just 22,765 miles on the clock. DAB multimedia input system. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox with steering wheel controls. And further storage above the cabin. As with all cars and vans at Guaranteed Motors, we are the RAC approved dealer in Bury St Edmunds. So you get 6 months RAC warranty, 12 months breakdown cover, and every car is checked with 82-point RAC standard. Call Guaranteed Motors today.